Hello, Dallas. Good evening. This is Anu from iAsia News. Thank you so much for joining. And this is a something that's a very special event that I'm so excited to introduce you today in Dallas. As you all know, that we're going to have a event coming up in city of Frisco for the first time, the championship of boxing that we are going to witness. And candidates like and the professionals are here in city of Frisco, Plano, Dallas, and we're going to have a great time. It's a great pleasure to introduce one of the boxing professional all the way from India, Haryana, Mr. Mandeep Jangra. You have heard his name many times. He is Arjuna, the very prestigious award Arjuna recipient, as well as like he has won at 2014 the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow. So this is, and also like I'm sure that he has won many of these accolades, but I would love to introduce and welcome. It's an honor to have Mr. Mandeep with us at Aisha News. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so
How
much.
does it feel to be in Dallas?
Amazing when I found like everywhere is Indian people, so I like feel like home. So yeah, that's the great opportunity to perform in front of my peoples, front of my flag, front of my society, community. It's really proud to be perform in front of them, and after that, if I won, that's really going to be a great for me.
So one of the challenging part, it's an experience for us as a matter of fact, because the championship is not a small thing to do. So let me start with asking you this one. So what kind of a toll that does it take for you to prepare this one? Because you have to stay away from the family and isolate yourself. So what do you go through during your training period?
It's very hard time, I have to maintain my weight, and I have to manage my diet. I have to work hard twice in a day, and then I have to work for myself. So yeah, it's very hard, far from home, and nobody is here, so who gonna be help me over here? So but unfortunately, we have to go for it. And fortunately I got friends over here like you guys, so you guys support me, so I don't feel like that I'm away from home. But yeah, I'm away from my parents, but I'm stay with my friends right now, my people. So that's the good thing over here, and that's it. Yeah.
So, whenever that you are in the ring, so let me ask you, let me get into a little bit of a personal of this one. Like, so there is a crowd going like towards you, against you. So how do you prepare? Like, is this, do you get to hear their voice, or do you just just kind of blank it out?
If you have focus on only one thing, then you never ever can hear the voice. Yeah, but I'm love to be involved people's in the ring, out of the ring, because of my skills. I'm going to be pretend that yeah, I'm watching you guys, you watching me. So it's my style, but sometimes against some hooting, and also I take it positively, like it's for me, not for him. If they are for shout for him, I can take over for me. Like if I punch, I like okay, shout again. So yeah, so then they laughing, and then they support me after some time. So yeah.
I know every boxer has their own strategy, own style. So you study them and you are prepared already. So are there any situations where that he immediately changes his style? How do you cope with that? Like how do you adjust your, like the boxing style?
Yeah, actually, right now I give my 22, 23 years to boxing, so I know whenever my opponent is going to change his style, skills, so I have to do mine best. That's the only way, and I have to bring him back to his style, and then I have to beat him. So yeah, everywhere is psychology is the best thing in sports, study, any field, business, everywhere. So you have to strong your mind and stay with them. That's it.
So one of the critical moments for any boxer is when you are kind of like you're at your lowest point and your mind is crying and say like I can't do it. So, what is that one inspiration that you get to prepare yourself? Like, no, I can do it.
Yeah, sometimes it happens, everywhere with
Yes.
family, with business, with the boxing. But after some time, you just take a water sip and then you work on your breath.
Yeah.
That's the only best way to be change your thinking. Yeah, because it's come for like only 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. That's it.
Yes.
It's not big time. So you have to deal with it. Like, okay, I know I'm thinking wrong right now, but give it like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour. Then what?
Yes.
But you are made for it. I think I'm made for boxing.
Boxing.
So I know boxing don't leave me, and I can't leave boxing.
Yes. So you are totally into it. So one of the most interesting question that I always I know that you do a lot of dieting, a lot of nutritional, the follow up that you have to do. So what do you normally eat as soon as the game is over?
Definitely this time I'm going to eat kheer, kulfi.
So you are craving.
Whatever right now I'm looking at, right? So okay, note down after the file. Note down. So I'm noting everything.
Yeah.
Okay, that I'm going to finish after the file.
It's in your list.
Yeah. So I'm not smoking. I'm not alcoholic, but I love to eat sugar. But sometimes leave sugar too.
Yes.
So I'm like nobody can control me. Yeah. So like if you can say I can't leave sugar, so I can leave sugar too. Because I'm so addicted about sugar, and my mom all the time like if he asking for milk, so put load of sugar, otherwise he don't drink.
That's good to know.
Yeah. So right now I'm looking myself like, is I am changed? Yeah, I am. I have to.
And one of the last but not the least question that I have to ask you is, what is your wow moment? Like when before you get into this, the professional level and winning, the championship. What is there? I'm sure that there is a moment that you say you're like, wow, this is it.
Yeah, actually I'm the first Indian professional boxer who won a world title in professional boxing and in 2024 in Cayman Island. So there was like that is under of British and that my opponent is British. So always they are going to be if fight is going to close, he going to take over.
Right.
So I don't have chance anything. So I think like do or die. That's it. And after the way when I won that title, like finally I whatever I thought when I step into the professional boxing, I made it. But I have lot of more steps to grab it still.
Have you ever gotten scared that you're going to be injured very severely and that scare is there?
Yeah, I'm very scared about the lose, not the injuries.
That is like a true professional. Well, thank you so much for joining. And is there one last advice that you want to give for a young professionals who want to get into a boxing?
I just want to say like discipline is a must, and if you are dedicated 100%, then you come to boxing. Otherwise, boxing is not for easy game. Boxing, you can't play boxing. You can play basketball, you can play football, you can play soccer, but you can't play boxing. You have to fight in boxing.
the key.
So you have to be a disciplined or dedicated. That's the only thing.
Well, thank you so much. That was really an amazing to see you there. Actually, like when you are doing some practice, and then we are really looking forward to. I think the upcoming event.
I did 12 rounds continue, and my opponent is changed after 2 rounds. So yeah, that was horrible for me. But yeah, I love to do because it's my profession and it's my everything. And after that, my family.
Absolutely.
So I have to be best. And I love to that you guys came here for me and Simran. I'm really grateful that you come to support us. And
Well, we would like to invite all of you to come and watch, and please follow Ayesha News so that you
our
can.
boxer our guy, our Indian flag. Come on,
Absolutely. Please come.
support
And
me
this is
on
for you
July
guys.
11th.
And support Mandeep, and that's up to you guys. So please don't miss this one. And on behalf of Ayesha News and all the Dallas boxing lovers and everyone else, thank you so much, and wishing you all the best.
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much.